Well, here we have a 6.2 liter LS, pretty much a junkyard bone engine. And baselined it with one of our camshafts. And what we're going to do now is take off the stock head, put on a set of our CNC heads, and let you see what that's worth. Stay tuned. Alrighty, as you can see, we kind of got the heads ripped off, doing some mock-up work right now. Pull the heads off, give them to Corey over in CNC. Run our program on them. It's beautiful. Put them back on. See what we got. Stay tuned. Alrighty, well, we got our back together, made some baseline runs again. It's got our silver head on it. And we'll show you the difference here. Alrighty, looks like peak torque, it made about 30 more foot-pounds of torque, or 25 more pounds of torque and 30 more horsepower. So pretty good little change. And picked up a good bit of air, 11 cubic feet of air. So it all kind of makes sense. Alrighty, that's it for today.